Employing close-spaced LEPA applicators lowered to the ground saves water and energy and increases yields. This installation is growing in popularity in dry, windy areas with declining water availability. Mark Healy worked with Dr. Bill Lau and Leon New from Texas A&M back in the 1980s to develop the LEPA concept. With renewed interest in LEPA, Mark worked with dealers and growers over the past several years to develop bubbler inserts and bubbler pads to meet specific needs for those LEPA applicators with closer spacing, those less than 40 inches apart. Rick Grimes pioneered 30-inch spacing 30 years ago. The water savings from reduced wind drift and evaporative losses, coupled with the energy savings from reduced pumping costs, have led him to recommend close-spaced LEPA devices about 98% of the time. This installation helps growers in this area to increase yields. Rod Sillwall is working with growers and water technology farms in southwest Kansas on ways to conserve water. He is comparing various application methods and close-spaced LEPA applicators over corn and wheat. LEPA bubblers at 30-inch spacing held the highest H2O percentage during the previous growing season. John Maurer converted several center pivots from sprinklers to close-spaced LEPA applicators and increased yields using the same amount of water. He spoke about testing on the Triple D Ranch at the 2016 IA. He continues to monitor specific data to see if he can produce the same yield with less water. Bob Holloway, at the recommendation of his dealer, Woofter Irrigation in Colby, Kansas, converted from sprinklers to close-spaced LEPA applicators. He believes this allowed him to farm 50% more corn, 120 acres, with 250 to 300 gallons per minute. Recognizing there are several factors impacting season-end yield results, Bob feels close-spaced LEPA contributed to the success he is seeing.